Hi guys, Andre here with Gun. It used to be Naked Gun, but now it's got clothing on, so it's probably just Gun now. The blade is Lohmann L4528, stainless steel, mirror polished. She runs on ceramic caged bearings. Titanium frame and MacArthur handles. There's space at the back for a lanyard. And you can also do like a front flipper. Thanks for watching, Andrea.